Okay, so this is a quick video for anyone considering coming on the beginners off-road weekend this year, 21st, 22nd of July over at Sweet Lamb Off-Road Academy in mid-Wales. This is footage taken from last year's event when we had everyone on bikes from Transalps to KLX 250s to 82-year-olds on R1200 GS Adventures, Rob on an F650 GS there. And the idea of the weekend really is just to take people who've got very little to no off-road experience and give them confidence to use that bike in unsurfaced terrain. It's a very structured weekend. Start with the basics, start with setting up the bike and making sure everyone's adjusted the bikes to suit them. We go through turning and standing and braking and everything just to get you confident in that first morning on the bike. We do some trails, and the beauty of the Sweet Lamb facility is it's just a vast hillside facility, mid-Wales, which has got a multitude of different trails that we use and incorporate in the weekend. Last year we did go off-site, and that is dependent on Forestry Commission permission or usage on the day that we're over there, and it just allowed us the chance to put what we'd learned into practice in the real world. So we headed off-site for a few hours, came back on site, and then went through a few more routines and training exercises just to give people confidence. And I think that's the focus of this weekend. It's to make you feel more confident on the bike that you own, so that when you leave the facility on the Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, you feel a little bit more capable and confident in being able to use that bike, whether it's for trail riding or whether you want to go off on an adventure to Morocco or to the Pyrenees or to Iceland. Just giving you confidence on the bike, which also pays dividends on your on-road ability as well, because I think knowing how to handle a bike off-road helps you to handle it on-road as well. So yeah, that's the thing. It's 260 quid, and that includes 2 days tuition and bunkhouse or camping, breakfast both mornings, and a barbecue on the Saturday night. You know, pros and cons to using your own bike. I think the biggest positive of using your own bike is you learn to ride your own bike off-road. I mean, to me, there's no point learning to ride somebody else's bike off-road and then switching to your own, because it can be completely different and the psychology is different. The negatives, obviously, people did take a tumble. We had a little tumble on the GS 1200, and that's all part and parcel of it, really. It's all slow speed, it's all controlled riding, so nobody's going to have big offs. It's just little niggles and drops like that, but it's all part of it. It's all part of learning about your bike, what your bike is capable of, and also what you're capable of. But it's a very novice, beginner friendly weekend, and I think the transformation from that first morning when we do the first training drills to the second afternoon when we're riding this grassy slope up to have a picnic at the end of this sort of plateau with beautiful weather and good friends made throughout the weekend. So that's it. 21st, 22nd of July. I've still got about 10 places available, suitable for any rider of any dual sport trail kind of bike. So yeah, hit me up with any more details, more information at garbagerun.com. Okay, cheers, bye.